Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a small video of removing your ABS module. This is a 2005 GMC Yukon with the 5.3 two-wheel drive. So I already fixed it once, but anyway, I'm gonna show you how to remove it. It has 4 bolts, and there are T20s. As you can see right here, T20s. So just so you know, you got one here, one right there, and 2 on the other side. And I keep having the ABS light come on, and after you know, a few minutes of me running the truck, so I'm gonna show you how to. I have fixed it before, and it seems like it's got the that same symptom again. I fixed it about two and a half years ago, and but anyway, I'm gonna try to show you how to. It's very easy. It takes like 10 minutes to remove all this. But anyway, it's got 2 connectors here on the side and 1 on the back. So okay, let's get back to that. All right guys, I already removed it. I'm gonna start peeling this JB weld that I had applied at the time I fixed it, and so I'm gonna continue clean it up, and I'll show you how it looks when it's all cleaned up. Okay. All right guys, I went ahead and cleaned it up on the edges from all the JB weld that I had applied. If you're doing this for the first time, you should have some a little bit of glue from the factory. So just clean it up, and I use JB weld, so I know it's not gonna leak any water inside. Just make sure that it cures before you put it on. And but yeah, so usually JB weld don't take that long to get hardened, you know. And so, but anyway, as you can see here, it's got this little I guess you call little welds here. It's got some here. Here's another one. The ones that pretty much see this sticking up here. Some here. You got some over here too. So when in the beginning, originally when it was doing the light was turning on, what I did, I applied a little bit of this stuff here on every single tip. I don't know why, what's the deal with it, but anyway, I know I read up on it, and it does. It went away for like 2 years. I just had it on, come back on for the last month or so, and see what it does. If you brake hard and you have your ABS light on with the brake light, it will lock up your front tires. And but I'm gonna go ahead and I guess apply a little bit, so I'll solder on it, and it's not hot yet, but just apply or get it hotter and apply a little bit more, and I'm gonna seal it back up, see if that fixes the problem, and but most likely it will. So I know because I've done it before. So, but yeah, this is the procedure that that you have to do. And after you weld all this, you know, the solder all this here, you know, just apply JB weld on this part, all around it. Just clamp it together or put something heavy on it. And after it seals, then you go around the edges on the outside, just to make sure you don't get any water inside, because it's all electrical. And they usually it stays pretty tight, you know, because this one I just took it off, and as you can see, I removed the small plate that covered, and I mean, it looks dry to me. But anyway, yeah, this is how you do it, and I'm gonna show you once. It should be already hot. Let me see. No, it's not hot enough yet. Should be getting there pretty soon, but let's see then. Yeah, it's getting hot already. But yeah, so I'm gonna do all of these here, And once I do all that, solder all of them up. You don't solder them together. It's just, I mean, I don't know why it. From what I read, that's what it helps out. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do it to seal it up. Okay, I'll be back. All right, guys, this is the final product here. Okay, got JB weld all around the. It's not gonna leak. I've done it before. If you're afraid that you might have water go inside, it's not gonna happen. So, but yeah, so this is here like in 6 minutes. Right now it's already hard, but yeah. So what I did, I put a layer on the inside of this of the housing right here on the edge, and then after that put something heavy on there. Put a hammer, 3 hammers, and after that I added another on the outside. So, but yeah, now I'm gonna put it back on. As you can see, okay, as you look at it, this is gonna be the front of the vehicle, driver's side, and this is the passenger side. So it's gonna be like this. Okay, you're gonna have to connect this one when you're able to maneuver it. So, and then it has 4 bolts. Okay, they're T20s, and after that, then you do these 2 connectors here, and that's it. Anyway, and that should delete the well, you shouldn't get the ABS brake light on. I know it does work. It worked for my 2005 GMC Yukon, I'm sure, for Tahoes, Sierras, maybe the 2001 99s. It might be a slightly different, who knows. But this is for 2005 Yukon. So, but yeah, and just did my oil change on it. So my truck does have 212,000 miles on it. It's pretty reliable. I keep it maintained. Just did an alternator, keep months back. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on, and let's see how it runs. But anyway, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna go ahead and be uploading some more videos. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, okay, the ABS light went away. It does work. Let me show you how many miles this sucker has. Okay, 213. That's kind of close, but anyway, yeah, just so you know, this is the way to do it. You know, so if you guys have any questions or comments, comment below. You know, don't forget to subscribe, and I got some more videos. It's just I've been busy here at work, but anyway, hope you guys like the video. Maybe it's helpful for somebody. And also keep in mind, this video is for entertaining purposes, people. Okay, this is the way I do it, and you know, if you want to do it, save a couple of bucks. I don't think the module's like, I think like 500 last time I checked. I mean, but if this works, hey, why not? Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, and peace.